We have here the World card energy. This is quite strong kasi it's like with this word completion na sobrang nag-agaw ng aking attention, no? I was being drawn with this word completion. I think there's something here that will soon end. But look at that, okay? It's like whatever it is na mag-e-end or magiging completed right here, this is something here that gusto mo sanang protektahan. I do sense, because the vibe is really strong, that you really do not want this to end, but it has to end. Parang you're doing here your very best to protect this, whatever is this. But you know that something here must end. Yeah, I use the word must because parang kailangan mag-end yun. Ganun yung feeling ko. So, let's keep moving. You are someone here who wants to have that type of connection. Kung love man ito, gusto mo yung connection na alam mo na long-lasting, pang long-term commitment, yung may infinity and beyond, no? Yung wala sanang katapusan, no? With the strength card right here, I think this is what you need right now. Maging matapang, maging malakas. Okay? Parang may sitwasyon dito that's really hard for you. But for some reason, you wanna find that infinity and beyond. Di ba kaka-mention ko lang, look at that infinity sign. And 11 is a road to me. It's like a pathway. It's like you want to be on the right track here. I'm seeing a lot of trees, so you might be finding here the stability that you deserve. Okay? For some reason, this could be anything, but I do see that to most of you, this could be a love and romantic situation. So let's all find out what is this all about. Ano pa yung need mong malaman? Okay, let's go ahead and alamin ang iba pang mga information. Oh, we have the Emperor and the Empress right here. Okay. This is quite sensitive from here and giving me the vibe na parang medyo feels like personal reading ito, no? Pero itutuloy pa rin natin, no, mga babes. Just take only what resonates. This is quite sensitive and a little bit complicated. This might be somewhat here your energy. Medyo seryoso ka sa parting ito. At the heart of your reading is the Six of Earth energy. Five of Earth right beside it. Five of Air. Could be seeing a lot of number fives. Remember that 5 is the powerful number of change. So if you keep on seeing that, it looks like there's some kind of changes, no, na posibleng mangyari dito sa connection nito. Yeah. Sun at the bottom of the reading, which is beautiful. But I told you guys, this is quite sensitive and a little bit complicated. So, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensaheng tingin mo ay para sa'yo. Okay? So, before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome po kayo dito sa channel. At kung interesado po kayo na tumambay din sa iba pang mga channels, no, ang mga links po ay nasa description. back. So yun nga na returning subscribers, thank you so much sa walang sawa ninyo at walang patid na pagsuporta. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat. So yun nga, wala tayo ditong gender by lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo. Pwede nyo rin pagpalit-palitin dito yung roles if you want. And of course, at the end of the day, meron at meron kayong free will. But I'm seeing right here, Four of Water energy, Queen of Water, you are also embodying the energy of the Empress. So it looks like this is you. Maaring ikaw yung klase ng energy, no, na hindi ka lang mahilig manood ng mga tarot readings or energy readings like this, but you are also awakened right here that you deserve to be in the right pathway. I think you're dealing here with someone, Four of Water energy, Queen of Water right here, and the Empress. Meron ka ditong ka-deal, ka-connect, puwedeng may relasyon kayo or puwedeng merong something na namamagitan sa inyo 'no. Parang because you are someone who is intuitive ay naniniwala ka 'no na na yung mga bagay na deserve mo, yung mapupunta ka doon sa mga bagay na deserve mo na parang gano'n nakita ko rito. Dito parang nalalaman mo na isang araw maghihiwalay din kayo nitong person na ka-connect mo. Oo, mahal mo siya, lumalabas rito yon, 'no? Pero with this Ace of Earth energy, Five of Air, Six of Earth, hindi niya napo-provide ano man yung napo-provide mo. Meaning to say, kung bigay ka ba ng bigay dito sa tao na 'to, sa relasyon ninyo, ikaw yung pinakamaslamang na nagpapakita ng effort, na nagpapakita ng love, na nag-e-express rito ng adoration and, basta mas angat yung yung love mo para sa kanya, which is hindi na agad balanse. Pero hindi mo siya maiwan-iwan dito dahil mahal mo siya. Yung nakita ko rito. So, meron ka ditong parang nararamdaman ngayon and this is coming in really strong. Parang lumalabas rito that with the Empress energy, Emperor, Queen of Water, and Four of Water energy, alam mo sa sarili mo na darating rin yung isang araw na maghihiwalay kayo nito dahil hindi siya yung para sa'yo. Paano mo nasabi yon? Kasi ikaw yung Queen of Water energy na nagtataglay ng Empress. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Nararamdaman mo at naiintindihan mo, nararamdaman mo na ngayon emotionally or spiritually na hindi itong person na 'to ang deserve mo. Pero sa ngayon, hindi mo siya maiwan-iwan dahil sa attachment na mahal mo siya. Love is an attachment. Kaya kahit hindi niya nabibigay sa'yo yung alam alam mo na deserve mo, okey, nagsi-stay ka pa din because of that love. Because you love him, because you love her. It's really hard to walk away from someone you love, isn't it? And that's what you're doing. Even though you know that isang araw, hindi rin siya yung makakatuluyan mo. Kasi naniniwala ka na ilalagay kayo ni universe sa isang sitwasyon, lalo na dito sa isang love situation, na alam ni universe na deserve mo. Alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo deserve tong person na 'to. But because mahal mo siya, hindi mo siya iniiwan ngayon. You know, tama ka with the Emperor right here and the Empress. Etong Emperor at Empress na ito, sa lahat ng mga courtyards dito sa tarot, silang dalawa ang best couple. So, ibig sabihin, okay, alam mo sa sarili mo that one day, you will move your way towards your emperor. Wala tayong gender dito, pero alam mo that one day, you will move your way papunta sa taong yung best para sa'yo. Alam mo na one day makikilala mo rin yung emperor mo or yung empress mo, someone na nakahihigit sa kung sino man yung minamahal mo ngayon. A very spiritual connection. Look at that number 4 and number 3. A very spiritual connection wherein alam mo na yan yung isa sa major na magiging pagbabago ng buhay mo. Natatakot ka dun sa realidad na maghihiwalay na kayo or magse-separate na kayo ng kakonek mo ngayon dahil mahal mo siya. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na one day darating din yung araw na maghihiwalay talaga kayo para makapunta ka sa emperor mo or sa empress mo. At ito yung parang bagay na medyo 50-50 ka kasi natatakot ka na 'pag nangyari ito makakaya mo nga ba? Parang nandun ka sa sitwasyon na you feel like you are at the crossroads. Hindi mo naman masisi itong taong mahal mo dito dahil alam naman nating lahat that there's no one perfect. But dahil mahal mo siya, hindi mo siya mabitiwan kahit na binibigyan ka niya rito ng mga disappointments. Marami rin siyang mga nagagawa rito, 'no? Alam naman natin, aminado ka sa sarili mo, 'no, na pagdating sa pagpaparating ng pagmamahal, mas lamang ka kumpara sa kanya, ayan. And I'm sorry to say, pero kung sino man 'tong person na 'to, 'no, posibleng may kinakausap rin yan ng palihim sa likod mo. Uulitin ko lang, timeless po ito, puwedeng tapos na, nangyari na, puwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan or puwedeng hindi pa po at isang prediction sa inyong future. Pero nalalaman mo na hindi talaga itong person na 'to ang para sa'yo. But you really wish 'no, na nagse ka dito sa connection na 'to 'no, kasi bakit? Kung alam mo sa sarili mo 'di ba, na one day dun ka rin mapupunta sa tamang tao 'no, yung best na tamang tao para sa'yo, bakit nagse ka pa? Why? One, because it's hard for you to leave this person dahil mahal mo nga. At lahat ng mahal ay napakahirap na iwanan at bitiwan 'no. So parang you need time to adjust, but you just can't leave this person here because you love him or her so much that you cannot really afford to leave this person here behind you even though may mga bagay na you find disappointing sa kanya. You stay because of love. Even though it's not healthy, even though it's sometimes negative, even though it's sometimes here suffocating, you still stay. But you know that that's not what you deserve. You just stay because mahal ko siya. Yun yun. But you know that you also need to prepare that one day this person will be pulled out from your life in order for you to meet the right one. Pero hindi mo alam kung kailan ka magiging handa. Pero alam mo na yun, nakikita mo na yun, nararamdaman mo na yun, 'no. Sometimes you cry because you have that inner knowing. The spirits, your angel guides right here are already sending you signals and messages to prepare yourself because you will definitely let go of whoever it is, 'no, not deserving sa iyong energy, not literally the person meant for you. Second, okay, kaya hindi mo siya rito mabitiw-bitiwan is that, okay, this is you. You might be thinking that you can change this person here. Naniniwala ka na baka magbago pa siya, baka pwede pa, baka pwede ko siyang gawin na siya yung maging perfect for me. You believe that. But still, you know inside your heart that you've been doing that, 'no, nagtiwala ka pa rin 'no, matagal-tagal na, pero there's no change. Or the change that you are expecting is hindi yun yung change na nangyayari. Or to some of you, there's no change, ganun pa din. So, naguguluhan ka with the 5 of air energy, 6 of earth, 10 of fire. Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin para matulungan ko yung sarili ko na makapag-adjust? Everytime na maiisip mo na bitiwan na yung person na yan, makipag-break na sa kanya, magkaroon na ng separation dito, mag-disconnect na from this person, you just can't do that. Because of the strong, because of the very deep feelings you have for that person. You just can't do that. You want to do that, you want to adjust right now because you are already receiving the signals that this person here is not really the one meant for you, but you are staying into this type of connection because you love him or her so much. I keep on repeating that part because love is that strongest na nagho-hold back sa'yo to move forward here in your life. Parang ito ka na alam ko isang araw iiwan ko rin 'tong tao na 'to. Pero everytime na maiisip ko yun parang hindi ako nagiging handa. Pero sa kabilang banda gusto kong magtiwala with the Emperor right here, transformation. This is the Tower energy. And there's this type of Earth energy, temperance or balance in here. This only means parang gusto kong maniwala na alam kong magiging masaya ako dun sa taong talagang nakatakda for me. Yung Emperor at yung Empress ko. Alam mo yun, no? Kaya lang hindi pa nagsisink in sa'yo ng buo because you are holding this big chalice of love still for this person here, no? Na hindi siya yung talagang para sa'yo. So, medyo mahirap itong parte na to sa'yo kasi parang gusto mo siyang bitiwan na ngayon pero hindi mo alam kung paano. Pero alam mo rin naman na hindi siya yung nakatakda for you at hindi siya yung hindi 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 kanya deserve, no? Alam mo yun, hindi kanya deserve pero nagpapatuloy ka pa rin rito. So hindi ka dito makagawa ng talagang desisyon, hindi ka talaga makagawa rito ng solusyon sa ngayon. Pero parang ikaw to na hinihintay mo, no, na dumating na lang yung araw na yun. Kasi dahil hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo, hinihintay mo na lang na dumating yung araw na dumating yung Emperor. Baka sakaling magkaroon ng trigger, baka sakaling magkaroon dito no, ng awakening moment mo, ano ba talaga yung gusto ko? Alam ko kung ano yung deserve ko, pero yung feelings ko sobrang sumasapaw, sobrang nagiging malaki yung dahilan or impact. Kaya hindi ako move forward pa ngayon. Parang ganun ka rito. With the Three of Swords energy, the Lovers right here, and the Sun, this is a confirmation here, honey. Listen, this is a confirmation here na kung sino man yung emperor or yung empress na pupuntahan mo, you will have that success in all areas of your life. You will not have those disappointments that you have with your past person or yung taong sobra mong minahal. You will recognize that slowly, clearly, at wala nang maiiwang bakas at pagmamahal dun sa tao na hindi mo naman talaga deserve. Because you're gonna see the light with the emperor or the empress. You're gonna see that success is really with this person meant for you. You might not understand it now clearly, but soon you will pag nakilala mo na itong emperor or itong empress mo. This is someone here who will definitely showing me that mature vibe na handa ka niya rito na naalalayan sa connection na to at suportahan. Hindi lang sa love life na to, kundi sa areas ng buhay mo para maging matagumpay ka. Someone who will be your number one supporter. Someone who will be your number one fan and will cheer you whenever you feel down and you feel sad. Wala nga eh. Kasi this person will not let you experience that sadness or disappointment ng matagal. Kasi this new person here will allow you to grow and will not help you and will not let you go through that difficult situation alone. He will surely help you out, 'di ba? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, you will recognize that this is really your person. And the love that you have for this person here na sobrang minahal mo will start to fade away. Because the love that you will have for that new person, walang makapapantay sa magiging pagmamahal mo para sa kanya. Dahil mahihigitan pa yung pagmamahal na naramdaman mo dito sa yung person rito na minsan mong minahal, no? Dito sa bagong tao, mas sobra-sobra ang lamang ng magiging pagmamahal mo to the point na talagang naka-move forward ka na sa buhay mo and everything will be in order right here. A lot of happiness, a lot of opportunities, a lot of growth right here for you. Everything will be in order. It might be hard right now, but please do know that your angels and guides are with you. They're right beside you. They're behind you. Everything right here will soon heal. Wala namang sugat na hindi gumagaling, sweetheart. At ang maganda, Sun at the bottom of the deck is an indication that you will be so happy, very, very happy, genuinely happy, totoong tunay na magiging masaya ka sa taong nakatakda para sa'yo. And you two will be the best couple ever wherein you will feel contented and satisfied with this person na wala kang hahanapin pang iba. That's the energy. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here coming from this person over here, guys. Thank you so much from your time and fighting him ni sa'yo, babes, okay? So, thank you so much and sarang hayo love and light. Ano yan?